Hello, this is Sierra from Knoema. In this video, I'll show you how to use notifications, follow for updates, and set up data alerts. At Knoema, we know how important it is to stay up to date as data changes. Use notifications to push critical data into your workflow. There are two types of notifications on Knoema. You can follow a resource to get notifications when specific datasets are updated, or set up data alerts for notifications when there are fluctuations of specific indicators. First, log in to access notifications. Datasets and visualizations at knoema.com are regularly updated with fresh data released by various data sources. Follow a resource to get notifications anytime data is updated. You can follow both datasets and dashboards. When you follow a resource, you will receive email notifications each time it is updated. You can also see all of your notifications by clicking Notifications in the left panel. Data alerts allow you to get notifications for particular fluctuations of specific indicators in any dataset. To set up a data alert in a dataset, open it in the Dataset Viewer, make a selection, and click the alert icon. Then, choose a time series, set the condition to trigger an alert, and specify a threshold. For example, you want to receive an alert when the U.S. jobless claims drop below 200,000. You can also set up data alerts in the World Data Atlas. For example, you want to receive an alert when the U.S. oil production surpasses 12 million barrels per day. You will now receive an email notification each time the indicator breaks the specific threshold. Data alerts and follows can be managed in notification settings. Here, you can remove notifications, adjust conditions, and change notification frequency. Now you know how to use notifications in Knoema. Thank you for watching.